To Kenya now, where 8 legislators arrested earlier this week over charges of incitement and hate speech have been granted bail pending trial. The 8 lawmakers drawn from both the ruling party and the opposition have been in police custody for 4 days now. CCTV's Robert Nagila has more.
The 8 legislators were escorted under heavy security from their cells to the law courts at dawn. The 8 accused have been in police custody since Tuesday, arrested for alleged hate speech and incitement. On Thursday, the High Court upheld a lower court's decision to detain them to allow police to complete their investigations. Outside the courts, there's a huge security presence made up of armed police, riot police and water cannon tracks to keep the peace. There's a huge gathering of supporters of the legislators before the courts, awaiting the end of that bail application.
They are right. It is their right. They should be given bail like any other Kenyan, so that while arguing their cases, they're out of jail. It is their right.
I pray they are given bail like other Kenyans. It's a right enshrined in the Constitution. The time they spent in police custody is a violation of their rights.
Despite opposition from the state on bail for the 8 accused, a judge granted the lawmakers bail ranging from between $3,000 and $20,000. Earlier, court proceedings were briefly interrupted after one of the lawmakers fainted and required medical attention. As news of the MP's release filtered outside, the crowd broke into song and dance. It's the first time in Kenya's political history that a large number of legislators have been charged with hate speech after spending at least 4 nights in police custody. Many Kenyans will be following the case closely ahead of the 2017 polls, with tensions rising across the political landscape. Robert Nagila, CCTV, Nairobi, Kenya.